Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have another hairstyle for you. This is a very quick and easy hairstyle. Probably takes you between 3 to 5 minutes depending on your braiding technique and your skill. My hair is a little longer, so the braiding process takes a little bit longer, but I mean, it's basically just braiding. So if you know how to braid your hair, you can do this hairstyle. So I started with a piece in the front. I started with my bang area, and I'm braiding that down. I'm gonna braid it down to basically to the end of where my bangs are. So I have like shorter chin length bangs. So I'm gonna braid up to that point. You can kind of see where I stop. My bangs are getting too short to continue. To secure that, I'm going to use a little black rubber band hair tie. Sometimes these take a little longer to put in the hair, especially if you're doing a smaller piece of hair. They take long to get into the hair and not have too much excess. So now I'm taking a random chunk on the side of my head to do another braid, but this braid is not going to start all the way at the root area. It's going to start basically at ear level, and you're going to do it a little looser. This is going to create a nice boho kind of hairstyle. So if you do this hairstyle, you can do it on straight hair, you can do it on wavy hair. I use a 3-prong waver, and I finally found the right tool to make my hair look nice. I really enjoy this waver that I got. I may do a video on that, the difference between a waver and a deep waver. This one is a 3-prong 1-inch waver that gives you that more laid back kind of look, looser wave. So now that this braid is done, I'm securing it with a hair tie, and I'm going to repeat the process on the other side to create the same look. This hairstyle is cute for any occasion. You could wear it in the summer, you can wear it if you're going out, whatever it may be. Just something different to do. So go ahead and braid the other side, same thing, front bang piece, then you're going to do another chunk on the other side in the middle, just like you did on the opposite side. If you decide to do a waver, it may take a little longer than 5 minutes. If you do your hair straight, whatever it may be, I did my waving before time, so it took me only 5 minutes to do this hairstyle. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will have more for you to come. And I thank you for watching. Please hit that like button and subscribe to my channel, guys. Thank you for watching. See you next time.